Hello friends, is your car's cooling fan behaving strangely? Running at the wrong speed or not working at all? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0529, it means there's an issue with the cooling fan speed sensor circuit intermittent. This can lead to engine overheating, AC problems, and reduced engine efficiency. In this video I'll explain what P0529 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0529 code stands for Cooling Fan Speed Sensor Circuit Intermittent. This means the engine control module, ECM, is receiving an irregular signal from the cooling fan speed sensor. The fan speed might fluctuate unexpectedly, causing cooling issues and potential engine overheating. Common symptoms of P0529: check engine light on engine overheating, cooling fan working intermittently or at the wrong speed, poor air conditioning performance, unusual noises from the cooling fan area. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the faulty sensor. To diagnose P0529, check these key components. Cooling fan speed sensor location. Found inside or near the radiator fan assembly, typically attached to the fan motor. Cooling fan motor and relay location. Mounted on the radiator at the front of the engine bay. Engine control module, ECM, location, under the hood or inside the dashboard, controlling the fan speed. Wiring and connectors location, running from the cooling fan motor to the ECM and fuse box. Tip: loose or corroded wiring is a common cause of intermittent sensor issues. Common causes of P0529: faulty cooling fan speed sensor. If the sensor is malfunctioning, it may send erratic signals to the ECM. Worn out cooling fan motor. A failing motor may not maintain the correct speed. Loose or corroded wiring. Damaged wiring can cause signal interruptions. Blown fuse or weak relay. A failing relay might cause the fan to turn on and off unpredictably. ECM issues. A problem with the ECM may prevent proper fan speed control. How to fix P0529. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0529 code. Step 2. Inspect the cooling fan speed sensor. Replace if faulty. Step 3. Check the cooling fan motor. Ensure it runs at the correct speed. Step 4. Inspect the fan relay and fuse. Replace if blown. Step 5. Check wiring and connectors. Look for loose connections or corrosion. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the code and ensure normal fan operation. Ignoring P0529 can lead to serious overheating and engine damage. Fixing it early keeps your engine cool and AC running smoothly. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0312, cylinder 12, misfire detected. P0313, misfire detected at low fuel level. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.